Stripping out a fan motor. Usually the motors are copper, but most of the time they're aluminium. You'll do find the old copper one, the windings. Oh yeah, things to collect, just get the copper. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Yes. Right here. This helps to take this off. Flathead. Push that in. Push that in. That goes up. There. There. That should come off. That goes in the bin. This should come straight away out. That goes in the bin. Then, okay, that comes out. Unscrew here. That comes off. Unscrew there. That goes in bin. So I'll clean off as much as I can. Whatever goes in the bin, goes in the bin. Goes in the bin, no, not worth it. I'll show you something. You get a pair of pliers and see that little bit here. That just holds the shaft in. All I do is just take that off. Because this shaft, all I do is grind it down. There's that hole, these. All I do is just grind it down, grind off the edges, and use that as a punch. So if you want to save money, have a punch, you can use that. So yeah, just save the time. These I just cut off because they're not in my way. Then there, 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 and there, and that comes off. That comes out. Check to see if that is copper. That's aluminium. That's just an easy test. You just use a file and if it comes back silvery, it's aluminium. If it comes back looking like copper, yeah. So that goes in my motor box. In here, take that off. Piece of steel. So that goes there. Yeah, so I'm left with this. You can easily open that up. Grab a hammer. Hammer that down. That comes out. And you get this. Then all you do is, where that hole is, you just cut there, and that piece comes off, then just cut there, and then yeah, you've got a nice little punch. I save a bit of them because they're useful. That goes in the steel pile. Yeah, that is what I do just to clean it up. All these screws, if you want, you can save them because they might be useful for something, but there's no point. So all I do is pick them up like that and just put that in the steel pile. Then that's still there. Got rubbish. That goes in there. Then if you want, with the wire, you just cut that off there and there. That goes in the bin. Okay, this wire here, you can save that. And the scrappy I might take it, but it's all up to you. So yeah, that's how you scrap out a fan, just to get the motor out and potentially the copper windings from the motor. So yeah, that's why I always collect them. But yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.